How to repost a Snapchat story on your Snapchat. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can repost someone's Snapchat story on your Snapchat. So very firstly, make sure you have installed the latest version of Snapchat on your device so that you won't miss out any new feature. You can simply do that by going on the Google Play Store. On the top search bar, you just need to search for Snapchat and then install and update the latest version of Snapchat. If you have already done so, then open your Snapchat. After opening your Snapchat, go on the friends section and you will see the story of many friends right here. Now, Snapchat does not have the feature of reposting the Snapchat story. You can share it on the inbox of your Snapchat friends, but you cannot add story or repost the story of somebody. So what you can simply do is you can screen record or ask for your friend to send the Snapchat or snap or video or anything that they have posted on their story, and you can post it from your side again. So that's the only option you have left to do. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.